Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting, and today we're going to go over one of the products on our website, the 80... Start from the top.
Take 3.
Straight face. Hey Blasters, and welcome to Blue Dog Blasting. Today we're going to go over the safety clip. Stay tuned. Alright Blasters, so the safety pin, you're going to find this little feller all over your equipment, and it serves its purpose well. It's to keep you safe out there on the job site. So you're going to find these all over the place, but one of them is going to be on your air hose couplings and connections. Can you hand me that combination there, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir. Ah, my friggin' ear.
What are you, boss?
So, on your equipment, you probably either have a 4-lug or a 2-lug threaded coupling just like this, where your air inlet is going to go, and you either have a 2-lug or a 4-lug fitting on your air hose. You put them together, twist them in, and they're not going to pull apart, but you can twist them and then pull them apart. So to keep them from twisting, you use a safety pin. You're also going to find it on all your blast components as well.
Yes,
Thank you, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
So we have the we have the tank coupling and we have the hose coupling, and it is the exact same configuration. Twist locks in, pops into place so that they can't pull apart, but if you twist it hard enough to break it loose and come out, you put a safety pin in it, just like so, and now you can't twist it so it won't come out on you. That way everything stays locked in. If you're ever concerned about a safety, what do you call those assholes? Safety foreman, safety patrol, safety police.
Safety guy. Goofy.
So if you have any safety concerns out there on the job site, this is a 50-802 and it'll run you for 100 pack, 15 bucks. You're gonna put it all over everything. Anytime you have coupling connections like this, you'll always see these two little holes that line up. Slide it into place, it locks in. Something very simple to keep you safe out there on the work site. 80-102 from Blue Dog Blasting. I don't know where it's found on the site.
Can you get it on eBay?
I don't know.
I got my shirt on eBay.
Maybe.
Got my pants on eBay.
You might even find it on eBay.
Got my sister on eBay.
We'll discuss eBay at a
Did you
later
get your
time.
hat on eBay?
So that covers that product for you. Hopefully that was informative. Probably something you already know, but I wanted to make sure that you knew how cheap and how many you get so that you can get out there and blast.
Oh, it's a camera.
You're at the camera.